Hi there guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel Girl Next on this side. I hope you all are doing well. So don't skip this video because I'm looking like a homeless urchin. The entire point of this video is to get ready for office in this scorching summer. So yeah, if you want to see how I get ready to my office and manage to look nice through the entire 9 hours, then please do keep on watching. And before that, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I make a lot of content on hair care, skincare, makeup and blah blah blah, and I talk a lot. So yeah, if you are up for it, then please do subscribe and thank you. But let's start the video. So my entire point of recording this get ready with me is to show you some realistic content on how you can get ready under 5 minutes and also do everything that makes you look gorgeous. Okay, the most important thing about the videos, in all the videos that I see on YouTube when I take some references, that they are not realistic, they are not simple. If you make it 6-step, 7-step makeup routine, then it's just going to take up time and you won't be doing that ever before you're going to office because you are in a hurry, right? And that too, we need to make the makeup melt proof. It has to be summer proof, it has to be melt proof, and that is also something that I'm going to show you. So it's gonna be very simple. Okay, so you can always switch it up, you can always play with your makeup, with your skincare as much as you want, right? But I am gonna show you what I do, what I personally do, what I personally like, and yeah, if you do that, I am sure you're gonna end up like a diva. So the first and the most important thing is to use a sunscreen, right? But then since it's summer, if you use one sunscreen, then again something, you know, like a BB cream or a foundation or something is just gonna make you sweat so bad. So that's why I have found this product. If you see right here, oh, it's tilted. Okay, so this product right here, I have, you know, it's a recent discovery and I have almost running out of this tube. This is really good. This is the Dot & Key Skincare Strawberry Dew Tinted Sunscreen. Okay, so I am someone who sweat a lot. Okay, that is very important. So that's why I cannot layer products on me before I'm going out. It's very important that I get a sunscreen which also makes me look decent, right? And this one has SPF 50. PA++++, and my shade is 01 Porcelain. So let's put this to test. So I'm gonna hurry, excuse me for that. Okay, so if you see, this is very runny, it's like a liquid. Okay, and the thing is, I just want to keep it very simple. So I'm not gonna use any kind of BB cream or anything whatsoever. But like I said, if you want to, you can always use and make it extra. Okay, so now that this is done, I'm gonna use my Kabuki brush. So this is my Kabuki brush. You can see how the bristles look like. This is PAC 252 Kabuki brush, and everything I'm gonna blend in. Okay, so like I said, literally this is going to be the simplest makeup routine that you can see. So my base is done. Okay, it's done. Now next I am going to go with my eyebrow pencil. This is the one that I keep showing you guys. This is from you know, this one is from Blue Heaven. This is the Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer. So I'm gonna just quickly do my brows with this. Since it's office, we need to understand that we can't overdo things and make it really you know, odd. So that's why I'm just using a brown eyebrow pencil. Okay. See the difference? Okay, so now that you have put the color, it's time that you brush through your eyebrows so that the color spreads properly. Right? Right? Okay. Learned one thing, okay, over the years, that if you do your entire face but leave out your eyebrows, the look does not get completed and it looks really, not put together. Okay, so doing eyebrows well is really a very important part of your makeup routine. So now that your eyebrows are done, you can use a kajal pencil, or this is a basic Lakme, the old mascara that we all used to grow up with, and somehow I still stick to this. Okay, so this is something that you can use, or you can use kajal as well. So but today I think I'm just gonna use this kajal pencil, and everyone who sees me in office, they know that I always wear an eyeliner, and that today I am going to do this with this kajal pencil itself. So okay, so one eye is done. I don't usually use kajal on a daily basis. I mean, I don't use it like a kajal, but I use the kajal to, as an eyeliner. I have to do it. So, when you're actually in a hurry, I feel that putting eyeliner with a kajal pencil makes it way faster. Okay, because I am really not in a mood to do wings and all of that. So let's be real over here. So now my eyes are done. I'm not gonna do anything more with my eyes. Like I said, if you want, you can do it. Now my next step would be to put some color on my cheeks, and for that I am going to use this dirty little bottle over here. So I have shown this to you before also. This is the Earth Rhythm Lip Cheek Tint. Okay, and this is extremely creamy. Okay, but then little goes a long way. So I will use a little bit just to hydrate my lips, and 2 dots on this side of the cheek, 2 dots over here, and now I'm just going to blend. You can use it with, you can do it with your hands also, but okay. So see, you get a very light, beautiful color on your cheeks that makes you look so much better. I think I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. Everywhere. I'm gonna become like a red tomato. Bad jokes, guys, bad jokes. This is the kind of jokes that comes out in a weekday. Okay, so you see, we've got a little color going on over here, and I look pretty. I'm starting to look pretty at least. Now, the next thing that we are gonna do is lipstick, right? So, you can choose not to wear lipstick every day. Okay, just something like a tint like this. Okay, the Earth Rhythm tint is gonna go a long way because it has got a lot of moisture in it. It's cream based, right? But then the thing is, it also has to be long lasting, right? Because it's summer and we want it to be summer proof. So okay, let me show this color to you. This is something that I love wearing on a daily basis, and it's very, very office appropriate. If you see this color, this lipstick is from Renee. Okay, a friend of mine actually suggested this lipstick. It's from Renee, and the shade is All for Mauve. Okay, so that's the shade. Why I'm not a big fan of liquid lipstick, okay, because they dry out my lips, but this lipstick does not dry out my lips, and that's the reason why I stick to it. And also because it is long lasting. I'm someone who do not have the luxury of doing work from home. I have to go to office every 5 days. not every 5 days, all 5 days. Okay, so I prefer something that I don't have to touch up. I don't like doing touch ups at all. Okay. So, you see this color? It's beautiful, it's pretty, it's girly, it's bubbly, as well as it's hydrating. Okay, this is one of those liquid lipsticks which do not dry out your lips, and that's why it's really beautiful, it's pretty. And yeah, actually the entire makeup is over, but there is one very important step which is very crucial for summer if you want your makeup to last till night. Okay, and that is this fixer. Okay, so you might be doing the lightest makeup, you might be making it very minimalistic, but if you are using a makeup fixer, you're just ensuring that whatever you have done, whatever work of art is going on over here is going to last till the night, right? So I'm just gonna use a bit of this. So as you can see, I think I've used a bit more my eyebrows. Okay, so if you can see, this it's not gonna fix my makeup and keep it in its place, but it has given me a slight glow to my face, which I'm really liking. So yeah, that is all about the makeup part. But now I'm just gonna pair it up with some accessories. Now people who know me, I love wearing these kind of pearly earrings to office, and my friends know that I wear these kind of earrings every single day to office. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna wear these today. Okay, pretty, right? It's very pretty, actually. I like it so much. Okay, now that my earrings are sorted, I need to think of something to wear on my hands. So usually these days I'm so much into these kind of Cartier bracelets. I think I'm gonna wear this one. Okay, this is, by the way, this is anti-tarnish and it's really nice. Just showing you up front the design, and it's really looks really pretty on my hands. So I'm just gonna wear this. Okay, and now since it's office, I will be wearing my watch right over here. Let's wear it. So now that I have changed into my office clothes, this is how the entire makeup look looks, as well as the accessories. Okay, and I think it's turned out really well. As you've already seen, this takes literally under 5 minutes. Last but not the least step is to use a good perfume that is going to last on you and that is fresh. In summer, the whole idea is to smell fresh and not smell sweaty, because you're anyway going to sweat. This is the perfume that I will be using. This is the Plum Body Loving Hawaiian Rumba. Okay, and you just wanna spray it. I do like to go a little bit extra with my perfumes because it's just something I like. Okay, so this is my final look, I hope. And I always leave my hair open like this because somehow I get a headache, but I do always carry a scrunchie like this and I wear it on my hands, and that's just what I do. So yeah, this is the complete look. It's very easy, it's very simple, and I can assure you that it is the most realistic makeup look that you can ever find out in the YouTube universe, because it's just literally 4-5 steps and it's like you're not even layering anything, right? And it's also long lasting, right? And it is sunburn proof, and it is this and it is that. It's basically the most summer friendly, melt proof makeup that you can find out there. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new from this. And yeah, I'll see you again next time. Till then, thank you. Bye.